of their death was a cold, dark day. Scuttled ships that blocked the sea, and the pallid light of morning melts into an ashy gray. And goodbye to everything, sayonara everyone. They are tired, write the eulogy. No one understood a word they said, held them all as kings up upon a pedestal. Their names scribbled on a parchment piece would sink like any ship listing fast from ruptured hull. And goodbye to everything, sayonara everyone. They are tired, write the eulogy. And I saw them as they passed. It was like a millstone cast far into the deep blue sea. The murky sea is black, dismal and so deep. Millstones rocket through the dark into its icy keep. A resting place for broken ships, a cemetery for the humble. No one's here to make you stumble. If Jesus Christ is true, then I am mostly lies. If Jesus Christ is love, then I have failed to try. If Jesus Christ is life, then please just let me die. Let this